Am I the asshole for changing all the locks in my house without letting my mom know? When I, 23 was 15, my dad died. My mom, 45, didn't wait too long to start over and moved her new partner in just 2 months later. My dad left everything to me and not even a dime to her. They were not married. My dad's will was so structured that she couldn't challenge it. And she attempted and even asked me to pass over one of my properties to her to show my new dad that he was welcomed. I couldn't even if I wanted to, because my dad's will was specified that I must be 21 to have access to everything he left me. This dude had kids, 18 19 their ages now, and my mom prioritized them to keep him happy. I mean, she wasn't like absive or neglectful, but she tended to favor them. They went on trips, and even if she didn't tell me not to go, she'd say something between the lines as, "Wouldn't you like to go to your grandparents, my dad's, better?" I mean, I'm not stupid and I know she didn't want me there. When I turned 17, she asked me to leave my own house, because I kept fighting with her dude, and I also reminded him of whose house it was. When he wanted to play the man of the house, I also called him John Conroy. My grandparents told me to avoid confrontation, so I went to live with them. My mom would visit me often and tell me how much she loved, but she needed to keep peace at home. After college, I decided to check my properties and also the one that my mom is living at. I wanted to renovate it to rent it since it's a good one and can help me to afford my master's. I went there to inform my mom, but no one was there. Later I found out they went on vacations. I called her but she didn't answer, so I proceeded to change the locks, mainly to officially take possession. They arrived yesterday and couldn't get in. Of course, they called me but I wasn't on the town. I went today because some renovation works will start in few weeks. I was in the backyard and my mom came in furious, yelling at me saying how I dare to do that. So we talked and I let them know they have 2 weeks to leave. Her husband, an unemployed self-employed, was furious. My mom and her stepdaughter started crying because the girl is pregnant. I'm sorry, but I made up my mind. My mom's family is shaming me, but I'd like to know if you think I'm the